Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Honda Fit paddle shifters. First, make sure your car is in sport or manual mode so paddles are active. Pull the right paddle gently to upshift and the left paddle to downshift, matching engine speed to road speed. Avoid abrupt shifts at high RPM and use smooth inputs for better control. Practice in a safe area until shifts feel natural and predictable. Begin by selecting sport or manual mode to enable paddles, then ease into a gentle pull on the right paddle to upshift and the left to downshift. Watch RPM and road feel. Let the transmission complete each shift before another input. Avoid rapid consecutive pulls and allow time for the gearbox to respond. If the car blips the throttle on downshift, that assists smooth engagement and keeps the drive pleasant and controlled. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy driving guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for long drives, fits cup holders, and keeps water cold while you focus on shifting smoothly. I use it for road practice, and it makes trips more comfortable. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Use the paddles to engine brake on long descents, which helps preserve your brakes and control speed. Downshift before entering a corner to carry a stable gear through the turn and accelerate smoothly on exit. If you hit a high RPM limit or the transmission resists, stop forcing shifts and let the car autocorrect so you avoid clutch-like strain. Practice these techniques in quiet areas to build confidence quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.